Place in Charlotte, North Carolina opens a Marvel Universe of Superheroes exhibit. We got invited to check out the media event. If you've been following along with us, you know that Sandy is still recovering from surgery and I've been by her bedside taking care of her. So we sent our friend Butch, the Crazy Pop, also he has another channel, Hanging with the Crazy Crew, out to help us cover it. This video is gonna look a little different. So before we release the full video, because we're gonna wait for those video clips to come in so I can start editing them, he sent us a ton of photos that we're gonna get ready to show you. So let's get ready to go on this marvelous adventure that rocks. Real quick, the photos that you're about to see are all from this exhibit here at Discovery Place in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm gonna try to do voiceovers of what you're looking at, and we're gonna see how it goes. First, let's go back in time and look at the origin and how the superheroes all began, and then on to the Marvel movies. This out. This is the very first Marvel comic. Too bad it's locked in glass. That would be great just to take home, flip through, slide it back in the glass. Has anyone ever looked that up like on Google? Are the images on there so you could actually flip through and enjoy and read Marvel, like the #1, the very first comic? Speaking of our friend Butch, check him out with the Thing from the Fantastic Four. Is so cool. The photos you're seeing right now, these costumes and these glass cases are actually the real costumes that were worn in all the Marvel movies. Check out the Spider-Man costume, even the details from the Green Goblin mask and that orb that he throws. Time to check out Thor's costume from the Dark World and Hela's costume from Thor Ragnarok. Check out the battle marks on Captain America's shield from Avengers Endgame and the costume he wore in Avengers Age of Ultron. The Iron Man collection, from the original Iron Man suit to the one he wears in Iron Man 3. Even WandaVision is represented.
I am Groot.
As you can see, give yourself some time, because there is a lot to see at this Marvel exhibit in Discovery Place. We want to thank our friend once again, Butch. He has 2 channels, Cooking with the Crazy Pop and Hanging with the Crazy Crew. We're gonna put both those links down below. Thanks again, and we hope you enjoyed this preview of all the photos and everything that you will get to check out at the Marvel Universe of Superheroes at Discovery Place in Charlotte, North Carolina. Make each and every day, including those where you can be a superhero or a villain if that's your choice, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.